Alright. Let me test you upon something else.
Oh, so a maths class me there?
You know? Alright. What is my favorite drink when I always get a bubbles?
Me coffee, me bowl of boiling coffee in the morning. I care for none of this. The only thing for me is the bowl of boiling coffee in the morning.
Hey!
Me not done yet.
Brother. Angie chat too much, you know, man. Can't see it there now.
You never know, say Angie a period now.
Angie tell you, say, he's a man love my coffee at daytime. Must. That easy if you know, brother.
Angie does not talk her personal business like that.
To you? Sound like she tell you everything. Oh, what is father? Alright. Press stop. That's it. That is it.
What you need to do, Mr. Savage, is to go and look for your daughter.
Here we go again.
She looking out for you. Me suggest you do.
I look for my daughter all the time. So I don't know what you say. Right? I guess again. How would you guess for man? Shepherd Guessford.
And me feel like say, you fi tell her sitting where she don't know.
Tell who?
Your daughter.
Let me tell you something. Me no want you mention my daughter one more time.
Well, make we talk about your son. However way you take it, the subject are gonna make you uncomfortable. And the period never can have to make you uncomfortable. I'm going to tell you the truth.
Truth. Just about had enough of this.
Mr. Savage, just remember, go look for your daughter. She'll look out for you. Yeah? And remember, dinner later. Don't forget.
Brother, you know something me think me just about had enough of this rubbish, you know? Brother, I don't know where you appear from, right? Angie keep up that little arms or something and I try to convince people, say, oh yeah man, you're the real deal. You come here with a guess and spell self, right? But it a miss. Yeah, so you get some things wrong, you get that little one thing right, and all of a sudden you feel, say, yeah man, you're the man. Let me tell you something. I don't know how you're reaching in, brother, but that one thing I can tell you now, you need to come out of my car. Oh, deep. No, sir. No. That's impossible, Roxanne. I could never forget about you, baby. It's just, I've been really busy with work these last.
That's why you didn't come look for me?
Well, yeah.
Is work the only reason?
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yes, baby.
you're not telling the truth.
Well, that is.
You have someone in your life?
Yes.
I know.
You know?
You told me once, remember?
Yeah, I remember now.
She's nice. I like her.
You do?
Yes. So that means mommy's out of the picture now?
Mommy's really hurting a bit.
She has never come to look for me.
That's why I'm mad at her.
She wants to forget me.
I don't think so, baby. I think she wants to forget the pain.
Do you want to forget the pain too, Daddy?
Yes. Sometimes I just want to stop the pain.
Because you miss me?
Yes, baby. Because I miss you.
But I'm here. I'm always here. You just have to come and look for me.
I'll come and look for you every week, I promise.
And you can bring your lady friend.
What? No, Roxanne. This is all about you and Daddy time.
But I want to meet her.
Well, I'm not so sure she's the one.
Why? Didn't she make you happy?
Well, yeah, but...
You have someone else?
Well, kinda. It's complicated. It's big people stuff.
Just tell her the truth, Daddy.
Truth? What truth you talking about?
You know.
Roxanne, you have a brother in Colombia. You hearing me?
Daddy, I miss walking with you. Can we go for a walk?
Sure, baby. Let's go.
Listen to my heart, it's always starting a fire. Can't put it out now. Can't put it out now, yeah. Do whatever feels good. Do whatever feels good, honey. Oh, it's like a Sunday.